That's the way I'm thinking about filling these cracks. Is mix some sawdust with some clear blue. Put it in there. Then sand it down. I think it'll work fine. I wish that tree wasn't, but it is. It was. If it wasn't rotten, I wouldn't have cut it, I reckon. Well, I know it wouldn't. One must have a good seat. You know, boards is made as measured in quarters. A board foot. What is a board foot? A board foot is 1 inch thick, 4 quarters by 12 inches. That'd be 1 by 12. A 1 by 12 is 1 square foot, 1 board foot. Well, that's fine on a 1 by, but what about say a 2 by 6? To get a board foot of 2 by 6, you would have to get 2 foot long, where a 1 by 12 would be 1 foot long. 1 by 12. So 1 foot, 1 inch by 12 inches is a 1 board foot. A 2 by 4 is something else altogether. I can't even, that'd be 3 foot. It'd be 3 foot long to get a board foot. I think I'm right. Now it'd be a 1.5 feet. 1.5 feet. 2 by 6 would be, a 2 by 6 would be 1 foot long, would be a board foot. A 2 by 6 would be a board foot, 1 foot long. And I think I'm confusing my own stuff, but it's measured in quarters. Confuses a lot of people. Did me for years. But I'm really enjoying this little project that I'm doing. I hate to get through with it. I've slowed down. And that's what you do when you find something you really enjoy. When you're retired, don't be in a hurry to get through with it. If it's building an old car, or an old tractor, or remodeling your house, or kitchen, or bathroom, or whatever, don't be in a hurry. Well, I'll back up there on that house remodeling. Now you need to get through with it, because there ain't no peace in the family if she ain't happy. And she ain't gonna be happy till you get through with that mess, because all you do is make a mess every day. But that's it for today. Hope y'all have a good weekend.